Hey guys, welcome back to Build a Page as well as Scrap a Sketch February, since I am doing a bit of a combo. So what I have for my fifth and final layout for this month is my Obed Marshall kit. So I pulled this piece and I have a feeling I'm only going to be able to use North America because of the sketch. We'll look at that in a moment. Got a cute little scrap or two right here. Not little, it's like more than half the page. Cute pink background with white stars. I've got a blue diagonal and scraps of yellow. So the intention was one of these is a background, which I would assume, I'm gonna want to go ahead and gut out the blue and have the pink be my background. We've got scraps. And I think I can only use North America. Let me show you why. I've got this sketch, very fun sketch from Sandy at Scrapping Reflections. So we've got some border strips here. We've got a bordered piece as well. And I'm sure my printer just made it not look great, but it's working for what we need. Some kind of a tag stitch here. Looks like photo, photo, photo. I will have one photo, not a big deal. We can do what we want. There's a circular element, and I think what I'm really just going to be taking is this pie shape right here as being my North America piece. Now, there's like wonky bits and whatnot, but look at this. I have these frame pieces, and that can take care of some of these squares. I've got a few of these little chipboard bits. Sweet. And then, let's see what else we have. Just quickly, I have some pink fresh stars from the mix. I've had these forever. Did they date them? 2017. Yeah. I've got Obed Marshall's sticker sheet here from Buenos Dias. These are my alphas. I thought they went together rather well. Got some chipboard, more chipboard. Oh, but wait. Dear Lizzie, little words, and then more Obed Marshall's pieces. So I have a lot there. And my photo is this one here of my girl Shay and the Nick behind her, and they look like they are in an Eno/hammock, and I believe they're at Sleeping Bear Dunes in northern Michigan. So that works for me grabbing this piece right here. So I think I will go ahead and cut out the rest of the world rather quickly. Yep, world be gone. Check. And have this. These are my scraps to use in a minute. I will go ahead and gut this and attach this. Guys, I have a new edge distresser coming tomorrow. And I'm filming this on President's Day. And if it were not President's Day, I would be getting my new edge distresser today. I am so excited about it because I think it will keep my hand from being like squunched doing this. I'm rather excited about it. It's a small win. It's a tiny win. So, regardless, I will distress some edges, give myself a little bit of interest, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to cut out North America. I also think, did that cut enough? No, a little bit more. Sometimes when you have a paper pad, things aren't exactly 12 by 12. Okay, I have to gut this. I think I'll go ahead and back my two frames with, whatever scraps. I always like that look to have something in the background or a shaker pocket or, whatever. So I think I will get them back. I have to trim my photo and mat it, however many times I can with the supplies I gave myself. So I have a little bit of background work to do, and then I will come back and we'll keep creating together. I hope that you're checking out both Krista and Moira's pages that they are doing, their page kits. I have had so much fun playing along with their series. I can't tell you how much fun. And I don't know why. Actually, I keep thinking about it. And then I keep thinking about like the next way to approach, like if they let me play next month. I have to ask them. And then, I'm going kit crazy in my head. So that means I'm enjoying this like so incredibly much, which I think is awesome that we are having fun playing along. Now, I have like 5 million other things I'm really supposed to be scrapping right now, and I'm into this at the moment. I have to do an off the board layout. I'm doing that next. And then I have some DT stuff for the scrap room to do with new kits coming out that I'm super excited about. Picture will be somewhere there-ish. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna get my background work done. I'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, Roo, let's see where we are right now. I have gone ahead and tacked down my pink background pattern paper. Both the pink and the blue are scuffed up. Now this piece right here on the sketch, I took a look at it, I'm like, oh, I could have scalloped that edge. So what I did, since I saw that after I went ahead and glued down my background, is I just went ahead and used my handy dandy scallop punch to do this side of the strip. I hope that makes sense. So let me show you. Here we go. I chose this yellow scrap to do that with. And it's here-ish. None of it really matters. It's just, you know, whatever. So that will be here-ish. Let me get my handy dandy T-square, get some of these pieces out, and then we will talk about what to do next, or what we should attach down next. I don't know. You know what I mean. You know. Oh, wait. This is supposed to go all the way to the bottom. That's why it's looking a little long. Yes, that goes to the bottom and the top, according to the sketch. And the sketch is the boss right now. Okay. Then there's this really cute bunch of, you know, like bit in the center that had these circles. And do I have something? Oh, I guess the yellow has circles. But I decided to just take a strip of an opposing piece of pattern paper. And we will pop that down the center-ish. Once we figure out where the center is, the T-square ruler knows where the center is. All right, so we have that. Nice and fun. Now, I matted my photo 3 times with our pattern papers that we had. It's kind of fun. I liked how easy it was to grab the next thing when I was limited. Guys, page kits are the bomb. And since we were talking a second ago, I've been lucky enough to have not just one, I know, but 2 English bulldogs come in to take their after breakfast nap with me. How fortunate am I? So that's going to go there-ish. Here is my North America, which is being represented, or this punch out piece here that looks like it's like the pie cut. That is my North America. I do not have enough paper, and I'm not going to worry about it, to do a circly bit. I'm going to have enough on here that's going to take care of that. Now I have this piece here. I backed both my frames in pieces. And let's see, we have North America. We've got the main photo up like this. Let's go ahead and get that down. Pop that here-ish, fine. And I will straighten them out in just a second. I figure I'll get the T-square ruler out all at once. We have that. And then let's get the continent downish. I had this big fear that I'd be doing this and I'd have North America upside down or something. Yes. Quite a big trauma. And you saw I put my photo up on a little bit of foam. So these pieces fill up more real estate. Well, maybe because they have this bit here. So why do I like it touching that? I don't know. I'm the boss of me. I like things when they look contrasty. There we go. Now, this piece right here, I went ahead and grabbed a piece off from the map paper. It's just white with these little yellow grids. And I used my world's oldest, do I have it right here still? Corner punch from Creative Memories. And I went ahead, see that goes over that. I like it under it, so yeah. I went ahead and used that to just create kind of this taggish looking thing, and I'll go ahead and put who knows what on top of it. Now, I didn't finish off the back because I wasn't sure where I would want to end it, meaning end the back of the piece of paper, because I knew that I would have the frame on top. So now we're good. Kind of like that, I think would be awesome. So things are kind of offset and a little interesting looking. Okay, so all of my background things are down. I do have my title, which will be the Dunes, and that can go across North America. That's fine. Sorry about all the noise. I'm moving all of these tools that I don't need to use now out of the way. Getting my mess out of the way. But here we can see the sketch. We see my layout. Kind of looks like it, kind of doesn't, but this one of those cool things about sketches is that you can legit just do what feels right. You know what I mean? You can do what works with your products is a better way to put it. All right, so title here, I'm having the title go across North America. And I think I'm gonna have it all on one line. So let's do this. Is that about the right placement? And I want it to be on both sides. So this starts on the yellow. All right, I'm gonna do this. Now, the next thing I need to do is go through our other embellishments. I know I have these chipboards pulled. They're like pulled. So that means that they're gonna be on there. They get to be on here no matter what. But I wanna go through the rest of my embellishments and start picking out what will work for this particular layout. Now, I know I already made the page kit, so that might sound like a duh moment, but when I look at this, I don't know so much if I'd want to bring in this orange camera. I'm not doing a super orangey layout. Now, maybe I will bring it in a minute once I get more embellishments on here, and if it oranges up, it does, but I don't quite know what all I want to do. I mean, I'm doing a layout about sand dunes and people in an Eno/hammock. So we just have to see where it wants to go. Okay, I'm gonna play around for a little bit. I'll be right back. So I'm getting some traction, starting to fill this in. I found this cute little banner that has a touch of gold on it. That's fun. I have this, my chipboard floral piece here. It's in a nice, kind of a muted pastel-y shade of the orange. I have that there. Now I love these acrylic shapes that are part of this collection. You have to get this little like plasticky stuff off. Thank goodness I have a little bit of nails. See how nice and shiny that is? So I have that. Let's go ahead and include that down here. So I have a really fun title cluster. Great. I have this embossed puffy here and here. That's helping to fill in that frame a little bit. This globe sticker is helping me with that, as well as this travel sticker. So both of those pieces were a win. And of course it matches. It's all from the same collection, so totally makes sense. So I have that. Now let me get this acrylic piece on. So you see the placement of where I found these pieces. I think it's fun. Now I still have my pink fresh stars. I have Felicity Jane stars. I have to go through and see if any of these will work. I'm not quite sure. The colors are a little deeper. And I have some wordy bits. So I definitely have some more faffing around to do, like, you know, like playing for 5 minutes, trying to get this off. I have seen people like in 1 second take them off. And guys, I even have like the right fingernails right now. Anywho, I am gonna keep playing along with this and building up my clusters, and I'll be back in a minute. So I did go ahead, I used 3 of the stickers from the Dear Lizzie piece, which was fun. These pink stars, I only had 4 of the pink ones from Pink Fresh, but I did use them. Like all of the pink is gone. I mean, these are like these, you know, the ghosty bits from the cutout stars. I did not use any of the pieces from the Project Life, And what else? Oh, and then from this, what I add in addition, I had this cute little star here and this floral cluster. It's 3 different little flowers, but I put them together in a little cluster, chopped the bottom, and stuck them in. So what I think I'm going to do now is anywhere I think it needs a little something, I'm going to use these little gold sparkly gems, and they are faceted. You can't, like, I can't even see it, but I can feel it. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and bring them in because I do have gold here and here. So I thought I should bring it in. Now I have this iridescent silver here and silver glitter here. So I have to do kind of a, this is on purpose kind of a vibe with it, I think. So we're just going to sprinkle them around a little bit and have fun with it. Wherever I need a little something extra. Let's see. Maybe this can be down here. And I love using things up, so I'm being a little generous and carefree about the whole thing, and I like it. So I have that. 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. I have 1, so I want to get 2 more over here because your girl likes to do things in odd numbers. Okay. There is, oh my goodness, it's a little heavy with the chipboard. And, oh, my word cool isn't fully glued down nicely. Okay, so all of my bits are on there. I had so much fun playing along this month. So tomorrow I will go ahead and have a video up with my, almost like a kill-a-kit, although I did not kill the kits, I assure you, but almost like a kill-a-kit and layout share and all of that. So I will see you guys ever so soon. I will have Kristen and Moira's links down below as well. Oh, as well as Scrapping Reflections Intel. Okay, that's really it. Bye, friends.